Respect. Whirlwind. Yeah. Alright, man.
Spit that shit, man. Whirlwind.
Yeah. They ask the questions. I give them answers. I feel like, Whirlwind, what you doing? Now my name ain't Prince. I stay on roll. You talking Christmas time. You talking mad crime. You talking mad grind. See you now. You talking mad grind. See you know what it up with it. Instead of me wondering what's about to happen. Homie, y'all thought that I know I get on these beats. Dog, I'm hand snapping. That be like that would happen. I'm talking earthquakes. Get up on the stage, pass the mic, make that junk quake, make it shake, make them wonder exactly what's been going on. Flip it like I flip it, dog. I do this here for my home. Talking about the A, yeah, was raised on the note. Used to be so hosted up on the 7, up on the pole, blowing blunts, blowing posts, out here doing what we love. Yeah, you seeing how it is in these streets, surrounded by thugs on the corner selling drugs. Niggas be wearing mugs, these niggas be pulling pistols. I swear they busting slugs. Some catch it like golden gloves. That's up inside of the game. Talking MLB, you talking about fame. You talking about change, ain't talking about change. Homie, I'm from the struggle and poverty, feel pain. Look me inside the eyes, now I don't wear the skies. But dog, I tell you right now, I give thanks up to the skies. Done been up inside the bottles to feel a lot of problems to see. A lot of dudes that's out here throwing revolvers, 6 shots, they rotate, send cats to the pearly gates. But now I try to do what I can do to reach my fate. I'm standing up at the door, they saying they want some dough. But homie, I tell you now, plant the seed and now watch it grow. I'm talking about plenty trees, they talking about plenty green. I'm talking about songs I've been on, up on the big screen. Done a lot of shows, done mess with a lot of hoes. And now you about to see the fan base explode. I'm talking just like a bomb, war like Vietnam. They deal like that, Mr. Whirlwind, you need to stay calm. They say that I'm a psychotic without, I'm really sane. The only difference is that I'm in a different mind frame. You talking about the struggle, talking about the hustle. Homie, I learned a long time ago, mind over muscle. A nigga had to tussle, had to do what I do. Now you see me riding around up in my feet, going up 2, upside down, rip to A. They thinking we bound to play, but homie, up at the prison, I'm up on the freeway. I managed about 50, then flip it up to 100, take it back to 2004, blowing up on the chronic, chilling up inside Cali, posted up on the west. These niggas be like what's said, and I swear they settle for less. See me, I'm on a different mission. Now watch the way I glisten. In excellence, you read in school, that is what I'm pissing. They talking crazy, steady trying to fade me. Yeah, I started playing, now they say that I'm amazing. Yeah, you talking sport, now they boy right there be blazing. Do this here like all the time, I really don't need an occasion. Yeah, I mess with bristles from the chocolate to Asian. Yeah, I mess with bristles from the other to Caucasian. Yeah, they like what's said, they already see the way we back it. Never be lacking, riding the lax, they already seeing I'm sipping on yeah. Probably hen, let it begin, then I mix it with some gin. Step in the club, CD girl, yeah, they say I like to win. Yeah, I think I like the twins. Now watch me in the Benz, probably jump inside the coupe. I'm on the coupe, yeah, I got a cop with a nigga like a roof. My mind be in the stars, these niggas say that they truth. I'm knowing that they a lie. Niggas be talking bad, see the way that I flip and be rolling up on the slab. Freestyle out for the mind, nigga, this is not road. These words come out my mouth and you see the way that they flow. Just like it was a bird that said that they heard a word. These niggas saying they ballin' cause they sell a little herb. Talking about a pound, these niggas be having ounces. Nigga up in the club, you seeing the booty bounce. With a name, these boys can't pronounce, man.